Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me today. I'm Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe and get involved in the content. Really helps out the channel. And today, as you can see, we are taking a quick look at Verasity here on the daily time frame. I really appreciate you checking out the channel. So as you can see here, we have been rejected multiple times at this Fibonacci level here. You can see my Fibonacci, as always, drawn from that bull market high up at this level here at around 8.3, 8.4 cents at this all-time high, dragged to that current low of the bear market at around a fifth of a cent. And you can see recently we have been getting stuck under this level here. Let me just pull this Fibonacci in a bit more actually so you can see the levels, because they're always so far away. You need to be able to see them whilst I'm looking at this local area, don't you? It's a bit more easy to interpret the chart. Then let's make it a little bit further than that though. So as you can see, pulled from that bull market high to this bear market low here currently. And then you can see here, now you can witness these Fibonacci levels in real time. You can see the 0.23 Fibonacci here at a half a cent, I should say, sorry, 0.005 of a cent there. You can see this has been an area previously of support back in this area, but it came down, turned into resistance, and then it has continued down again. You can see obviously after this point here at the start of the year, we had that really nice move to the upside. We broke the bear market resistance, we got above that 100-day moving average, which was nice to see as well. But you can see we ran out of steam at around that 1 cent psychological level, which was obvious. Since then, throughout the year, a lot of altcoins have been putting in this descending wedge pattern, as you can see. Got down below that 100-day moving average again, got stuck under it for a good while here. We came down, we retested the low of this overall massive channel that we've been in here, as you can see yet again. Basically just double back tested that low of the channel there. Got a nice reaction off that low with some nice fundamental bullish news for Verasity changing their tokenomics. We came up here, obviously smashed through that Fibonacci level, came back tested that 100-day moving average, along with this area here that I would argue is probably within the realms of being near that Fibonacci level as well. And you can see here the bounce all the way up into this key area up here at the 0.38, where we did find resistance. We tested it again, we came back down again, got the bounce here, we came up and tested it again. And then obviously yesterday with Bitcoin dropping from around 42k to around 41.5k, as the volatility is, you know, fairly standard in crypto, to be honest. Like, this is nothing that is a surprise to anyone who's been in the space for more than 5 minutes. Obviously with Bitcoin running up as much as it did, it was due for a correction. And you can see here obviously Verasity has reacted to that as well as pretty much every other single altcoin as well. If we take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see what happened over the past day or so. We were just basically continuously hitting this Fibonacci level here. There was a lot of sell orders in this area, and then you can see with Bitcoin here basically having that big sell off that it did have. You can see here for Verasity that we did come down with this big hourly candle, brought all the way back up. We dropped from, what was it, an eighth and a third of a cent all the way down to around a fifth and an eighth of a cent. So a 0.03 drop of a cent, which is pretty mad. And then a big around 20 or 30% bounce up in the same hour. Obviously a little bit of a rally here, come back down, and now just looking like we are just going to be probably chopping sideways like this. For Verasity currently sitting at around just over a seventh of a cent, just like before. But overall, you know, when you look at this chart, it still looks pretty bullish to me. You can see the bullish breakout, the bullish back test, making higher highs, which is also nice to see. Coming up and obviously making this double top in this local area. But you can see even with this wick down here, we came down, we touched the 100-day moving average, got a massive buy all the way back up, and we have closed with this previous area as support. So you could easily see yourself doing something like this and continuing, in my opinion, from this area. Obviously the market following Bitcoin, a little bit scared, but I do think that this will come good in the end. And my targets are all still there. That 2 cent level is still the technical target at that Fibonacci 0.618 up here. And I do think we'll probably be testing that 1 cent level over the next month or so, provided that there isn't a massive crash in the wider market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.